It's -34 right now, and we're just walking to the location to get a few video clips of the poncho. So I have this cloak, and it's a good cloak, don't get me wrong, but it's just not cozy, and it's made of wool, so it's kind of itchy. But alas, I have a solution. I'm going to use blankets. I'm going to use the blankets as a inner layer for it, so instead of feeling the wool on my skin, I get to feel a really soft blanket. You can see the before and after. Before, the cape is itchy, not warm, it's definitely not soft, it's just overall not a good, secure feeling that I wanted. But here you can see the inner layer that I have included makes it so much better. The supplies you will need are your cloak, the blankets that you want to be your underlayer, pins, scissors, a sewing machine, a double needle, and matching thread. First step, we're going to trace the cape into sections. This is just how my cape was designed, yours may differ. I left a 1 to 2 inch width to fold under later. So here I have all the white pieces cut out. Now I'm going to sew them together so I don't have a line on the other cape right there. Now it's time to put it all together. Make sure to cut off any excess fabric to avoid bulk, but still leaving the 1 to 2 inch seam allowance. Make sure the right side of the fabric is facing up. Fold the seam under and pin. Wow, I can already feel the difference. Oh, ow, oh. That's a pin in my neck. Okay, that's enough of that. I love it. The thread I used was red and white. Red through the double needle, and white for the bobbin to match the blanket color. Sew with the cloak layer on top. There are other ways to sew it together, but this is just the way I use. The cloak will be hefty and will need guidance along. I switched out the current buttons with 3 new ones, positioning them slightly over to have the cloak fit more securely. It's -34 right now, and we're just walking to the location to get a few video clips of the poncho. So I live where the air hurts our faces, and so adding an extra layer of warmth never hurts. The red, 100% made of wool, but it wasn't thick and cozy as I wanted it. So to make it more winter-esque, I added an extra layer of blanket to keep myself warm, because you can never be warm enough in this weather.